Hey, this is Dylan with RepairSpots, and today in this video I'm going to be giving you a general overview of our report page. Now, to get to the report page, firstly we'll be going to this menu on the side, and we'll go down to Sales and Reports. Here is where the end of the day and cash-in usually is happening, and if it's been more than 24 hours you'll be getting this end of day prompt, but we'll just ignore that for now. We'll go up here to the sales reports and go to view reports. Here we have all of our report options available. We have sales report overview, items report, repairs report, employee repairs, customer report, daily sales reports, end of day reports, and employee sales. This is the date range that will be used for all of our reports that we go through. So we can go here and simply go back to the date that we want to do our report from. So if we wanted it to be from November 1st to January 1st, and we can export these sales either in a simple format or a detailed format. The detailed format we recommend more for QuickBooks usability. Now either one is going to be giving us a CSV file of the sales for that date range, and will give you the option to email to the email of your desire. Next, we can go to the sales report overview, which will be giving us a report from the same timeline of all of the items that we have sold. This includes, and is not limited to, only the accessories or items that we sell or devices, but also repairs and orders, as well as deposits. We can see our total sales, the sales tax, credit, debit, or other sales, cash, the total cost, our average daily sales, the working days we have within that date, items sold, and our net profit. Next, we can go to the items report, where we'll be able to view all of the items and how many we have of each of them that have been sold and how much they have costed us. Next, we can go to the repairs report. We'll be able to see all of the repairs we've made, how many of that repair, and the price of the repair. Next, we can go to employee repairs, and we can individually see what employee has made what repairs. So if we wanted to see what repairs this employee has made, we can see that the technician has made one iPhone 5 repair and one iPhone 12 Pro LCD screen repair. Next, we can go to the customer report, which will give us a list of the customer. Next, we can go to the daily sales reports, where we'll be able to see the overview of every single end of day report. Now, if we needed a more in detail view of any of the end of day reports, we can go to our end of day reports, click on any range that we want to look through, and we can see exactly everything about the end of day report. So we'll be able to see our cash in date, our cash out date, our cash sales, the credit card sales, debit card sales, other sales, cash in amount, the cash drawer amount at the end of the day, who it was cashed in by and who it was cashed out by, and any notes following the same end of day report, as well as the money in and money out difference. We can also print that end of day report either via a air printer or a receipt printer. And finally, we have our employee sales, where we'll be able to go directly to any employee to see what sales that employee has made. Now, if that employee hasn't made any sales, we'll be getting this error for changing the date because this employee may have sales within a different date range. And here we'll be able to see any employee sales made by employees if there are any. And you'll be able to go through a list of your employees, just like with employee repairs, and you'll see a list of the sales that that employee has made.